Good evening, YouTube family. Welcome back to the Lotto Code Breaker YouTube channel. We are going to do the same thing that we did yesterday, right? The same thing that has given us the numbers for today, for lunch. Yes, that's exactly what we are going to do. All right, so where are we going to start? We are going to start with a big number, the big number strategy, which is something that we have seen that it is working nicely. Yes, it really worked nicely. So it's the big numbers calling the small numbers, and the small numbers, they are calling the big numbers. Yes, something like that. All right, so let's now start. Basically, it should start from, it should start from this draw going up. That's the basic we can do, so that we don't have to take much of the time on this. All right, so if we are to look into the big number, the big numbers that we have got, for an example, this 7 is calling 37. Okay, it's calling 37, and then we flip to the big numbers, which are this side. Basically, we enjoy the 40s. Okay, 45 is calling 14. So we have got 37, and then now we have got 14. All right, we've got 14. If we go to 38, 38 has called the 8 that is sitting there. All right, so now we are done with the big numbers. Okay, let's look at what else. Yes, we are done with the big numbers. We are now done with the big numbers. No, the last one is this one, 43. 43, right? Where is 40? 40 is sitting here. 40 is the one that brought the 10 that is sitting there. All right, so now I've given you the 3 numbers from the calling, right? From the calling. That's exactly what we are going to do. These 3 numbers, they are fire numbers that I'm expecting tomorrow, according to the strategy that we are now busy with. All right, then let's now move on to the next one. Now we are now going to do the date. We are now going to use the date. If you look at day 21, day 2012, 11, day 11 has brought the 22 and 23. So therefore, if I give you the date, which is 25 and 23, these numbers, they are for lunch and tea. You don't play them on one draw. Split them, play them on the first draw, and then play on the next draw. Okay, do not forget about those 2 numbers. Right, then we have got a scenario whereby our strategy is giving us 2 numbers. 7 played as a single number, and then it gave us 4 and 8. 4 and 8 has played. The balance now remaining is 9. 9 is the number that is now remaining. Okay, so let me just put 9 below there. Right, I'm also writing down the numbers that we are going to play, guys, because I'm also with you on these ones. Okay, all right. Where else am I expecting us to get 2 numbers? All right, we have got 33. 33, I'm expecting 17 and 34 from 33. I'm expecting 17 and 34. Why? This is the calling strategy. The calling strategy, you don't have to be asking why. It's because the numbers, they follow. A number gets triggered by another number. That's what makes the calling of numbers to work. Okay, where is the next one? The next one that we are going to look at is going to be the missing number. We've got 10, 11, 12. Okay, we've got 33, 34, 35. So 11 and 34 are numbers that are missing in the action. Those are numbers that are missing in the action. So yes, don't forget about those ones as well. Okay, what's the other strategy that we can push? Right, we have done the missing and then we've done the calling. Now the number that we can survive with, the strategy that we can survive with in this winter, right, especially if you're going to be looking at the calling, the number calling, right, the numbers for calling, the calling numbers, not the calling, sorry, the pairing numbers, it's going to be your odd numbers. Yes, the odd numbers, right? Look what the odd numbers are doing. The odd numbers is just adding and subtracting, right? So if you look at 15 and 17, 17 minus 2 is 15, 15 minus 2 is 38. It's 13. I don't know where I'm getting 38. Falling in love with a specific number. So 13 minus 2 will give us 11. Straightforward, right? So that's something that we can work with. We have got 29, 31. They played as a pair, right? They were next to each other. The number that was supposed to follow from there is 33, which has played as a pair as well, right? So how do we deal with that? When it has played, it has repeated itself, and you see what it has done there. So we can't add it to get another number, but what we can do is we can say 35 plus 2 is 37. 35 plus 2 is 37. But look at this. Look at this. We've got 49. 49 minus 2 is 47. And 49 came back again. And then it gives us 47. 47, and this 47 brought the 49 back again. This 49 brought the 47. 47 minus 2 is now 45. 45 minus 2 is 43. Okay, so you will never lose when it comes to the what do you call it, the odd number strategy, because on all the what do you call it, the draws, there is always a calculation for an odd number strategy. Equals to 5. Yes. So now, which ones am I looking at? Which ones am I thinking that we might have two numbers? 9, 14, right? 17, 34. Just leave it like that. Don't fight it. Then 34 and 11. Those ones are from the odd numbers. Those are odd numbers, right? And what else do we have? Okay, we've got 37 and 9. 7 and 9 as well. Okay, so now this is exactly what I'm saying, that tomorrow let's win big. Tomorrow let's win big. I'm going to go through the chart of the 901B chart. I'm going to look at it as well. I'm going to go through the hot numbers as well. If there is any way they are cheating us, we will always find them unexpectedly. All right, thank you so much, guys. Enjoy. Good luck. Bye bye.